Hey everybody, welcome to Vert Dawgs. We are here at the Braille house. We've got a game of skate going down on this 11-3 vert ramp right behind us. Today, we've got Eli Reams, JD Sanchez. They're about to battle it out for our first battle.
My name's Eli. I just turned 25. I am originally from Ohio, just moved to San Diego, and I've been skating for about 13 years.
How's everybody? My name is JD Sanchez, and I'm 12 years old, originally from Hawaii, but now moved to Northern California.
A trick that I can do that might be challenging for other guys is I've been working on a lean varial to revert. So it's essentially a lean varial 360, and we'll see how it goes.
I don't think I can get any tricks against Andy, so other than Andy, maybe a switch frontside nose grind, aka a rewind grind, but other than that, I don't think there's any other tricks that will get anyone. Well, everyone at least.
Here with Nigel Jones.
I'm your hype man, guys. Oh yeah, absolutely.
Adam Taylor, who's gonna be judging?
I'm Adam. I will be the judge, so what I say goes. And I am taking bribes.
Big shout out to Skate Light for making sure the ramp is nice and grippy today.
888 and 187 out here sponsoring the event. We're so excited we can be part of this.
We're gonna do Rochambeau. It can be 1, 2, 3 shoot. It can be 1, 2, 3, or you can flip your boards. You guys decide.
So I'm gonna be honest here. I am very biased at this point. I know JD's skill. I really feel like JD's gonna be the top dog right here.
Yeah, you think
that's yeah. But I have seen Eli around here right now, and he's been killing it.
He's got some wild moves.
Yeah.
So we'll see.
We'll see.
All right, here we go.
Here we go. That was too easy for JD.
All right. So now JD is actually going to go because we're going to kind of keep it moving that way.
Lean tail.
This is just like, this is the easy stuff.
It's too easy for him. Lean tail, that's it.
Easy.
He was like, I got this, no problem.
All right, next trick. Backside board varial.
Backside board varial. Okay. Oh, throwing in a casual sex change rock right there.
You got it.
You've never done this? You got it, JD.
I love that. Never done it. All right, here we go.
Oh! JD takes our first letter, the walk of shame.
Now, we're playing skaters. It's not just skate, it's full skaters. They need to get weird. That was honestly insane. I can't believe it.
Oh my goodness! Yeah! Dude, Eli came to play today. Like, he's not messing around.
That was crazy.
Yeah.
That was actually crazy.
Fastest attempt I've ever done.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, letter.
Oh,
Walk
yeah.
of shame, JD. Letter number 2. Alley-oop feeble.
Oh my God!
This is where things get tricky because I gotta pay attention to how much Eli alley oops to make it.
Yeah.
If he would have made that, that wouldn't have been alley ooped enough.
Backside bonus revert.
Okay.
That's terrifying.
Man, Eli is bringing out the big guns.
He said, I don't know about this, but that was the smoothest I've...
I know.
He did it so smooth, all of it.
That is gnarly.
He was so close.
Dude, this is gonna be a close game, I feel like.
I know, ska to ska.
Do they know they're going to skaters?
Oh! Oh!
Can I hit the bell as a trick?
That is a trick, yes. Almost hanging. Wow.
Messed up.
You're gonna have to do a redo, man. Too low. You gotta start going off the ramp at Vert. You started going off the ramp right before Vert. That's something else I want to put out there. Now that this has come up, you need to start your trick within the Vert section of the ramp. All right? No, he didn't touch the coping. You would have heard it if he touched the coping. You would have heard it.
Only wheel.
No retry on that one. I'm sorry, JD. I was listening. I was listening for that ding. I didn't hear it.
The brick oven. Oh! Oh! Oh!
Happening right now? What? Wait, what?
He was stretching that dough.
I can't even move that far, bro. What?
I love them, like him showing him how to do this trick.
Oh! Oh! You got one more try. Oh!
JD, you're out of here! Eli is safe. Moving on to the next round.
I want to say thank you so much to all the sponsors, 888, 187, and of course Skate Light for making this awesome ramp. That's it right there. And our winner is
Eli!
I got lucky. That was so much fun.
You ready to win?
Oh, good game, JD. You killed it, man. That was really fun.
This was lots of fun. I can't wait till like second annual maybe?
Yeah.
Thank you guys so much for watching this. We have this Vert series going on. It's super awesome. There's more videos to come. Check out everybody on Instagram. We're gonna have their descriptions down below. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Got some videos to my left. Check them out. See you in the next series.